My name is Dr. Herrera. I am a doctor of naturopathic medicine. I also hold a master's degree in human nutrition. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to access when you join my Hepatic Heroes community. Many of you are here because the medical system has failed you in some way. I know it failed me. Back in 2021, when I was diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and metabolic syndrome, my doctor basically told me to lose weight and come back in 6 months. No real explanation, no guidance, no plan of action. He gave me basically zero information about the right nutrition and lifestyle changes that needed to happen in order to improve my health. And looking back, I honestly think that he just simply didn't know what to do about it, like many medical doctors nowadays do. And it was very disappointing, to say the least, and I was super frustrated by the whole experience. Now, luckily, I have a medical background. So I was able to study the scientific literature and learn everything I could about reversing metabolically associated steatotic liver disease, aka non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, through nutrition and lifestyle changes. And as a result, I actually managed to lose 40 pounds and reverse my own fatty liver disease in less than 5 months. And now I'm using these exact same strategies to help my coaching clients improve their fatty liver disease, improve things like fibrosis, lose weight, and also improve related conditions such as hypothyroidism, PCOS, gut health issues, IBS, IBD, cholesterol levels, diabetes, and so on. And as a result of my years of experience helping people just like you improve their fatty liver disease through nutrition and lifestyle coaching, and after spending countless hours, literally countless hours studying the scientific research, I created the Hepatic Heroes course and community where you can benefit from the fruits of my labor so that you do not have to go through what I went through to try to learn this complex stuff. And in this Hepatic Heroes course and community, I will show you exactly how to start improving your MASLD and NAFLD, aka fatty liver disease, in the next 30 days using my simple to follow science-based nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle process, and continue to build momentum towards complete MASLD and NAFLD reversal, and more importantly, be able to sustain it for the rest of your life. But who is Hepatic Heroes for? This community is for you if you've been diagnosed with MASLD or NAFLD and have no idea where to start in fixing your nutrition, your exercise, and lifestyle in order to start improving your metabolic health and, more importantly, your liver health. If you're frustrated in the lack of support and quality guidance from your medical doctor or your medical team, and are even confused by what to do or not to do or where to start because of all the conflicting information online, this community is for you. This community is also for you if you're struggling with a lot of other related conditions to fatty liver disease, such as PCOS in women, metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disease, weight gain, hypothyroidism, issues with the low thyroid, IBD, IBS, diabetes, and so on and so forth, this community is for you. If this sounds like you, then congratulations. You have arrived at the last resource that you will ever need in order to improve your MASLD or NAFLD using cutting-edge, science-backed nutrition and lifestyle coaching. And when you join our Hepatic Heroes community today, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get access to our complete Hepatic Heroes course where I teach you literally everything that you need to know about nutrition, exercise, supplements, fasting, the different diet strategies, sleep, lifestyle, everything that you absolutely need to know in order to help heal your metabolism and start to improve your liver health. You'll also get a free initial personalized assessment from me to jumpstart your progress when you first join. You'll get $700 plus worth of MASLD or NAFLD friendly meal plans, a permanent 20% discount on all full script practitioner grade supplement orders that you place through our Hepatic Heroes community for the life of your membership, weekly Q&A Zoom coaching calls to support you on a weekly basis, access to my private Mastermind group where you get more tailored coaching from me, a free Cronometer Gold account that you can access through my professional account where I actually get to provide feedback on your food logs and give you some more added recommendations as you log in your food, a complimentary one-on-one consultation with me, which will include things like ordering any necessary lab work, but creating a personalized meal plan and a personalized strategy for you, as well as additional coaching. You'll also get a physical plaque once you reach the highest ranks of the Hepatic Hero community, and you'll also have access to an awesome and supportive community of people just like you who are on the same journey, so you won't have to go at it alone. And finally, if you join Hepatic Heroes today, you will be protected from any future price increases. You're going to be grandfathered in. So if you're one of the lucky few that became a founding member when Hepatic Heroes was free, it will always be free for you as long as you do not leave our community. And just so you know, I will be continuously increasing the price of this community as it grows. So now is your chance to lock in the current price and protect yourself from any future price hike. So all in all, you're looking at about $5 $1,000 worth of value, which, you know, now that I'm saying this out loud seems kind of ridiculous, and I really should be charging more money for this, but it's okay because we're going to grow this community together and we're going to end up helping a lot of people in the process. But what does our community actually look like inside of Hepatic Heroes? Well, let's take a quick sneak peek to see what you can expect. So this is what the back end of our Hepatic Heroes community looks like, and we're going to start with the leaderboard section here. Now, our community operates on a leveling up system. Now, what that means is that as you level up your profile, you will unlock more of what our Hepatic Heroes community has to offer in order to assist you in improving your liver health. The way you level up is super simple. As you make posts, as you comment, as you reply and engage within the community, you will accumulate points that will allow your profile to level up across all the different levels, as you can see here on screen, and therefore allow you to unlock different phases of our courses, our extra bonuses, awards, perks, all designed to support you in improving your health. As you can see down here, we also have a 7-day, 30-day, and an all-time leaderboard section, which makes it a little more fun for our members just to see who is ranking up the most and turns your level of participation into more of a fun game to play. And by the way, there will be contests and prizes for those who reach the top of the leaderboards. Now, Hepatic Heroes is designed to foster an active community in order to support each other and our members towards our health goals. So that means in order to get the most out of this community, we encourage you to actively participate and engage within the community itself. So if you do not want others to actively support you and help you keep you accountable, then this may not be the best option for you, and I recommend signing up for a one-on-one consultation with me instead. Now, the next feature that I want to talk about is our community section right here. Now, this community tab is where you're actually going to engage with me and other members. This is where you have a chance to accumulate points. Here, you're going to actively participate in things like our hero assembly, where I get to provide you with exclusive trainings and updates to help you along your path. This is where you're going to participate in the training grounds, where you can introduce yourself, where you can share your wins and your victories along the way. A roundtable discussion where you can ask any question that you want, either asking me or other members to help support each other, and so much more. This is where all the magic happens, where we get to uplift and support each other as we improve our metabolic health and reverse our fatty liver disease. Next, we're going to head over to the classroom. Now, this is super important because the classroom tab is where you get to access the entire Hepatic Hero course. And as you can see here on screen, we have the entire course laid out in different phases that you will be unlocking as you level up through our community. And just so you have an idea what this is going to look like, let's go ahead and click on the first module here. As you can see, all of the lessons are laid out in a step-by-step, super easy to follow format, where you get to go through all the information, all the training videos that you're going to access throughout this course, so you can start to learn how to effectively reverse and improve fatty liver disease and your metabolic health. Now remember, all new members will actually be able to receive a free initial assessment of their medical history, their lab work, and their nutrition status by me, so that I can create a more tailored strategy for you so you can jumpstart your progress within the Hepatic Hero community and hit the ground running. And just so you know, FYI, the way to access that free initial assessment is on this last lesson down here within the first module. So that is it. Everything that you'll ever need to start improving your liver health through nutrition and lifestyle coaching is in this community. The goal is to start improving your liver health in as little as 30 days with the research-backed strategies that I will be showing you within this community. So join us now so you can start and lock in your current price. See you on the other side.